Excellence, naalala ko po platin yung aking college yearbook. Wala po talaga ako nakalagay yung na-achievement. Except, na-third place ako sa nakalagay doon. But then, medyo nabuhay naman ako ng loob. When I saw, naging secretary din ako ng Pius Logos Society. I do not know if it still exists up to now. Noong academic year 1994 and 1995. At naging president ng Pius Logos Society noong academic year 1995-1996. So naisip ko, may kanya-kanya naman pala tayong university I know has given you the foundation. So now you can go forth and build a future that reflects the values we honor today. So in essence, if we talk of celebrating excellence, advancing eco-cultural responsibility, and serving with commitment, it is a reflection of God's blessings. Congratulations to all of you, and mabuhay!
Thank you very much, ma'am. At this point, read by our University President, together with the Vice Presidents of the University, to award the plaque of appreciation to our esteemed speaker. Allow us to read the content of the plaque. And may we ask our speaker, together with our BSC officials here on stage.
Ryan, 1.55. Marquez Eli Bando, 1.55. Mendizábal Shereen Imano, 1.55. Miranda Carilke Pa, 1.55. Ocomen Sarah Grace Canado, 1.55. Austin Uriel Joyce Wasan, 1.55. Quinto Crystal Ann Edion, 1.55. Sumiko Rafa Cancelo, 1.55. Tafangil Jeline Marioman, 1.55. Tagoba Grace Patnag, 1.55. Taboog Reynald Carl Maligan, 1.55. Waka Genevieve Montino, 1.55. Anita Cesare Saturnino, 1.56. Borsa Zerlin Galen, 1.56. Budas Rema Ano.
No.
You are allowed to take pictures here on stage, but please,